Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Bissell Crosswave Premier is probably one of the most versatile and efficient cleaning machines on the market, designed to tackle everyday messes on multiple floor types, from sealed hard floors to area rugs, making it a game-changer for busy households seeking a convenient and effective way to maintain a spotless home with a single, powerful device that vacuums and washes simultaneously. Number 5. Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro 2306A. Tired of cleaning up pet messes? This powerful device vacuums wet and dry messes while mopping tough stains simultaneously. You can clean your floors faster and more efficiently than ever before. It's built with pet owners in mind. It powerfully tackles pet hair and odors with a tangle-free brush and a specialized solution. Say goodbye to pet stains and lingering smells. This versatile machine is safe for all your hard floors, including tile, wood, and laminate. It even works on area rugs, making it the only cleaner you need for your entire home. Our innovative dual-tank system keeps fresh cleaning solution separate from dirty water. This ensures a truly hygienic clean every time, preventing any cross-contamination. This bundle includes a tangle-free roller brush and 2 bottles of our specialized pet solution. Plus, every purchase helps Bissell save homeless pets, adding a feel-good factor to your clean. What we like? This cleaner is designed for pet owners who want to tackle messes efficiently. Its tangle-free brush and specialized pet solution make it ideal for homes with furry friends. If you're looking for a machine that can handle pet hair, odors, and wet messes all at once, this is a great choice. What people say. It cleans my tile and wood floors very well. I love that it has 2 tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty water. Number 4. Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max 2554A. Introducing the ultimate cleaning companion. Vacuum and mop your floors simultaneously, or vacuum powerfully on its own. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of cordless freedom for a complete home clean. Effortlessly handle both wet and dry messes on a variety of hard surfaces. From tile and sealed wood to laminate, it cleans them all. It even revitalizes your area rugs. Cleanup is a breeze with its self-cleaning mode, which flushes debris and freshens the brush roll. Plus, the innovative 2-tank technology ensures clean and dirty water are always kept separate. Stay connected and informed with the dedicated app. Receive helpful alerts, track maintenance, and get usage tips. Reordering supplies is also simplified through Amazon-replenishment. Achieve a deeper clean and sanitize your sealed hard floors. It effectively eliminates 99.9% of bacteria, ensuring a healthier home environment. What we like? Experience ultimate freedom with this cordless cleaner, offering up to 30 minutes of cleaning time. It not only vacuums and mops but also sanitizes hard floors to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria. If you value convenience, a truly hygienic clean, and smart features, this is the one for you. What people say. It cleans my hardwood floors and area rugs beautifully. The cordless feature is a game changer, making it so easy to maneuver around furniture and up the stairs. I love that it vacuums and mops at the same time, saving me so much time and effort. Number 3. Smilyan replacement parts for Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro. Keep your Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro running like new with our high-quality replacement parts. This valuable package is designed to perfectly fit your machine. Our brush rolls and filters are engineered for a wide range of Bissell Crosswave models, ensuring a snug fit and optimal cleaning performance. They are designed to tackle dirt and pet hair effectively. Experience a superior clean with our tangle-free brush rolls. They effectively scrub away debris and are designed to minimize pet hair wrap, making maintenance a breeze. Breathe easier with our premium HEPA filters. They are highly efficient, trapping up to 99.97% of tiny particles, including allergens and fine dust, for a cleaner home environment. Replacing your brush rolls and filters is simple. Just snap them into place for a quick and easy change. They can be cleaned with water and air-dried for reuse. For the best results, we recommend replacing your filters every 3 to 6 months. Enjoy consistent, efficient cleaning with these durable parts. What we like? Keep your existing cleaner performing at its best with this comprehensive replacement parts kit. It includes brush rolls and filters designed for specific Bissell Crosswave models. If you own a compatible model and want to ensure optimal cleaning performance without breaking the bank, this is a practical solution. What people say. The Bissell Crosswave Premier is a game-changer for pet owners, tackling tough messes with ease. Its cordless design offers great freedom of movement, making cleaning quick and efficient. The dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring you always clean with fresh water. Number 2. Bissell Crosswave Replacement Brush Roller and Filters. Keep your home spotless with our premium replacement brush rollers and filters designed for your Bissell Crosswave vacuum. They are engineered for optimal performance, ensuring a deep clean every time. These parts are designed to fit a wide range of Bissell Crosswave models, excluding the Max series. Please verify your vacuum's model and part number to ensure a perfect match. Crafted with high-quality microfiber and nylon, these brush rolls effectively clean various floor types, from tile and wood to laminate and area rugs, without causing damage. Our set includes multiple brush roll replacements, filters, and a cleaning tool. They are designed to capture fine dust and debris, improving your home's air quality. Replacing these parts is a breeze, requiring no tools for a quick and easy swap. For best results, we recommend replacing them every 3 to 6 months, depending on usage. We stand by the quality of our products, which are rigorously tested to meet OEM standards. Enjoy a worry-free purchase with our commitment to your satisfaction. What we like. This set offers high-quality replacement brush rolls and filters for your Bissell Crosswave vacuum. Made with durable microfiber and nylon, they are designed for effective cleaning on various surfaces. If you need reliable parts that capture fine dirt and debris, and want a convenient package with a cleaning tool, consider this option. What people say. It cleans my hardwood floors and area rugs beautifully. The swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver around furniture. I love that it has 2 separate tanks for clean and dirty water, so you're always washing with clean solution. Number 1. Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro 1785 Series Replacement Parts. Ensure your Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro 1785 Series vacuum cleaner performs at its best with these high-quality replacement parts. This set includes multi-surface brush rolls and HEPA filters designed for a precision fit. The multi-surface brush roll is engineered to effectively scrub away debris and minimize pet hair wrap. Its dual-action design works wonders on various floor types, from hardwood to tile. Breathe easier with the premium HEPA filters. They are designed to capture 99.97% of dust particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring a cleaner home environment. Swapping out the brush roll and filter is a breeze, snapping into place quickly without any tools. For optimal performance, replace filters every 3 to 6 months. Remember to let the HEPA filter air dry completely if cleaned. This convenient package includes 3 multi-surface brush rolls and 3 vacuum filters, plus a cleaning brush. You'll always have a fresh, dry brush roll ready for any cleaning task. We stand by the quality of our replacement parts, made with premium materials and rigorously tested for durability. If you have any questions, our team is here to help you wholeheartedly. What we like. Ensure your Bissell Crosswave runs smoothly with these precision fit replacement parts. The brush rolls are designed to minimize pet hair wrap, and the HEPA filters capture fine particles. If you're looking for high-performance replacements that offer excellent value and are compatible with specific Crosswave series, these are a solid choice. What people say. The Bissell Crosswave Premier is a game-changer for pet owners, tackling tough messes with ease. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement, making cleaning quick and efficient. The dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring a hygienic cleaning experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.